Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to export a DWG file in MicroSurvey CAD. Now, if you're already working in a DWG file, you're done. This drawing I've got here, JD Test Ntrip, is already a DWG file. So all I have to do is copy this file and send it to my data collector or wherever it needs to go. However, if I'm working with a file type other than DWG, there's another step. This drawing right here, backyard, is a DXF file. To export it as a DWG, first go up to the top left and click the plumb bob. Scroll down and click Save As. Down here in the file type, don't select AutoCAD 2018, but instead AutoCAD 2013. Rename the file as you wish, and when you're ready, click Save. As a double check, you can see here that I have a new backyard file that's now a DWG, which I can send to wherever I please. And that's about it. Please consider liking and subscribing, it really helps us out. And if you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.